2.4 How doth the little busy bee? Standard 7th.
Unit number 2, poem number 4.
English reading.
2.4 How doth the little busy bee? How doth the little busy bee
improve each shining hour,
and gather honey all the day
from every opening flower?
How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes.
Isaac Watts.
A parody. How doth the little crocodile
improve his shining tail,
and pour the waters of the Nile
on every golden scale?
How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws, and welcomes little fishes in
with gently smiling jaws. Lewis Carroll.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.